Weird F1 facts that sound fake but are actually true. F1 cars have so much downforce, in theory, they could drive upside down on the roof of a tunnel. Ferrari have 248 Grand Prix wins, but as an engine supplier, they have just one. Sebastian Vettel for Toro Rosso at the 2008 Italian Grand Prix. Narain Karthikeyan is the only driver to ever finish an F1 race in 24th position at the 2011 European Grand Prix. Jacques Villeneuve and Michael Schumacher both scored 8 podiums when fighting for the title in 1997, but never shared a single one. 2018 is the only season in F1 history where every driver scored at least 1 point, and is the only season with no mid-season driver changes. The biggest winning margin in F1 is 2 laps. In the 1995 Australian Grand Prix, Damon Hill lapped every single other driver at least twice. What are your favourite